Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with technology package, 120 volt instrument panel power outlet, 2 charge and data USB ports inside center console, wood dashboard insert, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, GMC infotainment premium audio system, ultrasonic front and rear park assist, power sunroof, forward collision alert, wood door panel insert, and has less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.